6 YouTube channels you must watch before you start your layer poultry farm. Number 6 is the best. Hi, I'm Carlos, guide at Secret Layers, a poultry education platform that teaches you how to start and run a layer poultry farm profitably. And in this video, I'm going to give you the 6 YouTube channels that you have to watch and that I have used to acquire the knowledge and everything I know about layer poultry farming. I am 100% sure they are going to help you. Before I tell you, number 1, please subscribe and like the video so you don't miss out on any future videos that will be coming out every week. Number 1, Farm Up, a YouTube channel by Dr. Daniel Masaba from Uganda, where he has videos from the beginning of his farm 5 years ago to currently, where he has almost 10,000 birds, he has a hatchery, and is now getting into goat and cattle farming. One thing this channel is going to teach you is that you don't need battery cages to succeed in layer poultry farming. Even deep litter can work fine and you can have a successful layer poultry farm. Number 2 is neo-hen, a YouTube channel from Kenya, and if you want anything to do with chicken houses, chicken structures, this is the YouTube channel you should go for. He also has his own farm and his own breeder farm. Just make sure you check it out. Number 3 is Poultry with Modupe, all the way from Nigeria. Now for this, if you want to know about battery cage system, this is the channel you should go for. And she has big farm and she also offers some consultancy and training services. Amazing channel. Number 4 is The Actuary Farmer, a YouTube channel by Brian from Kenya, I think from Western Kenya. And this is a young guy who has built a successful layer poultry farm, and he also specializes in hatching layers for sale. Not specifically layers, but I think also improved and kienyeji chicken. Not quite sure about that, but great channel. You'll also learn a lot from it. Number 5 on the list is AIM Agriculture. And personally, this is where I began my journey of learning about layer poultry farming. There is an amazing guy, an amazing teacher called Innocent from Kenya. Now he actually currently left the poultry farming sector and ventured into another agribusiness sector, another farming sector. But the videos on layer poultry farming on that channel are amazing. If you want to know any technical stuff about layer poultry farming, this is the channel to go for. Finally, what you've been waiting for, channel number 6, and so far the best channel you can use to get layer poultry farming information from anywhere, and that is Secret Layers. Yes, what you're currently watching. Now I understand my channel is quite new, but new videos are going to be coming up every single week where I'll be teaching you everything and anything you want to know about how to start and run your layer poultry farm profitably. And to prove that, I have a free guide which I want to give you if you are a beginner or you want to know how you can run your layer poultry farm profitably. Get this free guide at secretlayers.co.ke. I'll put a link in the description, and please remember, it's totally free. No cost, no money. Just to show you how informative and valuable this channel is and is going to be. So that's the roundup of the 6 best YouTube channels that you have to watch and subscribe to before you start your layer poultry farming journey. If you found value in this video, please subscribe and like the video, and let me know which of the 6 is your favorite YouTube channel in the comments. Also, check out this video where I explain the 6 reasons why I haven't started my layer poultry farm yet. I'm sure it's going to be helpful to you.